Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch on a flashlight on iPhone 16 Plus. To switch on a flashlight, slide from the right top part of your screen to reveal the control center. Then click on the flashlight icon. It opens the flashlight as you can see, and you can click on the dynamic island to adjust the intensity of the flashlight. As you can see, I am adjusting the intensity like that. And that's how you turn off the flashlight. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.